Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe and positive out there. I am officially back. I've been on an incredible journey of fatherhood, and I can honestly say I'm in love with my baby girl. Thank you everyone for your congratulations. I've read all your comments. It's been an absolute incredible amazing experience, which I've loved every second of it. So guys, thank you very much. It's been a little bit hard for me to do updates when I have a little screaming bubby wanting to get fed and get some love and attention. So I do apologize about that. But guys, honestly, it's been an incredible experience. I have not slept in about 3 days or 4 days, no, 3 days now, 4 days. So coffee's my best friend, and that's not even doing anything at the moment. So I'm just running on pure adrenaline at the moment. Anyway, so if I'm a little bit off, I do apologize, but thank you very much. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth, and that's taken on an entirely new meaning right now. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started. Also, if you can smash the thumbs up button down there, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm absolutely loves when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So give it a good old thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Also, I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. So again, my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. All right. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. All right. Formalities are out of the way, and yes, I'm going to show my baby girl right here because Valentina is absolutely gorgeous. Look at her. Absolutely in love. All right. So thank you very much. That's incredible. The community is awesome. I really appreciate it. And again, I was going to do a video last night, but literally my eyes were like that. Anyway, moving on. I did put this post up yesterday because there is so much happening with the SEC. I've been keeping tabs on the market, obviously, and reading Twitter every day and crypto panic as well. So I've just put up this post yesterday. What is going on with Gary Gensler? And I think he should really find a new profession. He's really hurting the industry in the United States. Honestly, I do not see this kind of stuff, all these regulators slapping down crypto in literally any other country apart from the United States. Gensler's really on a mission right now. He's lost his mind, all right, straight up. And I'm going to talk about XRP and Ripple. There are some updates today I'm going to go through with that. And obviously my other trading stuff that I'm doing at the moment. So let's go to Coinspot. To see what's happening in the markets. There is a referral link below, so please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. Please do your own research, of course. All these prices right here are in Australian dollars. Just to clarify, this video is not old. It is the 23rd of July, 2022. All right, let's have a look. And everything else is set to USD. Bitcoin sitting at $33,000 today. You've got Ethereum at 2,300. You've got XRP at 53 cents, which again, it's an absolute bargain in my opinion. You've got Cardano at 73 cents. Solana's at $61. I'm still not bullish on putting any money into Solana. Dogecoin is at 10 cents right now. Polkadot is at $11. Matic, I'm definitely adding more into my portfolio at $1.29. My other favorites right here, ladies and gentlemen, of course, is Near Protocol at $6.55. I think that's great. Stellar is at 16 cents. Now, I saw an interesting tweet. I believe it was from Digital Asset Investor. Love his channel. No one's asking how much XLM Jed actually owns. I need to check that and look into it as well. It's curious. So I'm wondering how much he actually has and he's holding. Jed McCaleb right there. And he's probably on his super yacht somewhere sailing around the Mediterranean at the moment, given the amount of XRP. And he's made like $300 million a year for the last, since 2014. Anyway, moving on. Algorand's 50 cents. You've got VeChain at 3 cents, one of my favorites. Mana at $1.46. Sandbox, $2.01. Hedera's at 10 cents. This is really nice entry point right here for me anyway, just adding more to my portfolio, dollar cost averaging. XINFINITY's at $23. Moving down, Quant is at $151. I'm still up really nicely on my Quant investment. Excuse me. I bought when it was below an $80. So again, I've seen some pretty nice returns on it. I wish I had to put more. Again, everything's good in hindsight. Moving on, you've got Phantom up slightly today to 49 cents. IOTA's at 45 cents. Neo's at $15. I was buying this at high levels as well, and we'll go on crypto bubbles in a second. I've got the Graph at 15 cents, Luna Classic as well. Moving down here, ladies and gentlemen, to my other favorites, and that is Gala at 7 cents right now. Again, that's incredibly cheap. XDC and XINFIN. I found some interesting stuff about XINFIN and XDC as well, so make sure you stick around. That's at 4 cents. That is definitely an undervalued gem. Let's go to crypto bubbles right now. I'm going to refresh this so we can see what has been happening in the last day. And yes, I've been keeping an eye on this every day. You've got EOS up 11% today, 20% on the week, 24% on the month, and negative 70 on the year. But again, let's have a look at its all-time high. It was at $6 right there. So again, everything in these prices right here will easily come back up once the market starts going up towards, the 3 trillion again. And again, I've seen, price, crypto market, total market cap prices, $10 trillion from Brad Garlinghouse. So again, we're just getting started. It will be a part of the, the sector in, the United States and around the world. So again, it's going to be a massive sector right now. So KCM, Kusama, I believe that's right. $482 was the all-time high, 6.5% on the day, 21% on the week, 25% on the month. I mean, if this goes back up to $482, you'd make an insane return on your money. Neo, again, I like this. I do receive passive income holding this on the exchange Coinspot. I receive gas, the token, which is nice. I mean, it's not much at the moment, but it's still free money. On the day, it's 4.7%, week 22%, and the month 19%, which is nice. $63. Again, I was buying it around these levels around here. So you can see here, I was buying it around there pretty much. So, I'm down a bit on that as well as all my investments, but nevertheless, I'm still bullish on everything. Curve Dow is up 4.8% on the day, 32% on the week, 99% on the month. All-time high was $6.29. So that's been doing quite nice as well. Let's go into some other news. Now, the SEC and Gary Gensler. No, I don't want FX open. Go away right here. Stupid pop-ups, man. I'm sick of these websites. They're really annoying. I have so many pop-ups. Anyway, XRP lawsuit. Will Ripple ever see the infamous Hinman documents? Will the judge allow the SEC to extend the issue further, or will she put an end to the never-ending Hinman saga? It is a never-ending story. And I hope it does then, because the SEC is just being absolutely ridiculous. And Gensler, go away, man. And I've said this. I'm coming from Australia and I'm saying this. Just go away. Do something else. Go knit something. Just move away. Move away. You're annoying. The Hinman notes and emails, which the court has repeatedly ordered the Securities and Exchange Commission to hand over to Ripple Labs and the individual defendants, are an example of how the justice system can move so slowly, and that's just ridiculous, right? After an extensive back and forth, the SEC argued the documents were protected by deliberative process privilege. The court eventually ruled against that motion, only to find itself caught in yet another claim, that the documents were protected by attorney-client privilege. Judge Sharon Hepburn denied that motion earlier this month, which was bullish. In its unsurprising, it is the SEC requested permission to file a 30-page opening brief and a 10-page reply brief in support of the SEC's objections to that ruling. It is up to the court to end the never-ending Hinman saga right now. So the SEC previously sought leave to file objections to all orders relating to the speech drafts in a single brief. The court granted the SEC's applications and ordered that the SEC file any objections to the orders within 14 days of Judge Netburn right here. Obviously, his order on the SEC's outstanding motion relating to the speech drafts. Magistrate Judge Netburn issued her latest order on July 12th, and the SEC's objections are due on the 26th of July, which is only a couple of days away. Because the SEC is filing objections to 3 separate orders in a single ominous brief, the SEC respectively seeks leave to file 30-page memorandum of law in support of its objections, 10 pages more than the court's individual practices otherwise allow. The SEC further seeks leave to file 10-page reply brief within 7 days of the defendant's response to the SEC's upcoming objections, said the letter submitted by blah, 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 the legal counsel here, Division of Enforcement at the SEC. XRP legend Jeremy Hogan commented on the filing. The SEC is actually going to object to Judge Netburn's scathing order regarding attorney-client privilege and asked Judge Torres to overturn the order. This is an order obviously in which Judge Netburn called the SEC's argument hypocritical. Someone needs to talk them off the ledge, which is just crazy. So it's now up to the court to make the final decision. How ridiculous are they being? Honestly, they're like being kids in a playground. And look at this. I mean, this was yesterday. I was going to mention this yesterday in my video, but I was too tired. But anyway, the SEC asked Judge to remove 67,000 XRP holders from the court case and bar Ripple supporting lawyer from participation. How ridiculous. So the US Securities Exchange Commission is opposed to allowing attorney and XRP supporter Johnny Deaton from participating in the Ripple lawsuit any longer. I want to swear right now. I want to absolutely just go off, but I can't because the YouTube people will put me in YouTube jail. But anyway, moving on. It's just ridiculous. Bullish stuff in Ripple again. Remittance technology launches on Shopify via Airwallet's new online app. How good is this? And again, I am an e-commerce brand as well, so I do use Shopify, which is nice. So Ripple user Airwallex has announced that the launch of Airwallet's online payments app on Shopify. Ravi Adusamili, SVP of Partnerships at Airwallex, speaks on the offering our app in one of the many offerings we have built help merchants accept cross-border payments. How nice is this? Bullish as anything. I would love instant settlements. And I mean, they're quick at the moment, but I mean, instant would be just incredible. So I just wanted to mention that for us e-commerce people out there. Now check this out. This is bullish as anything right here. Dubai-based fintech firm enables access to digitized gold. Look at this. Recently, so this is Comtech right here, introduces a gold token which allows users to access the gold electronically. The current value of one CGO token price is $54.97 as per CoinMarketCap CMC. So recently, co-founder of XINFIN XDC Network, Ritesh Kakad right here tweeted that Comtech Gold is redefining the tokenization infrastructure by digitizing gold using the XDC blockchain system. Nice. According to his tweet, the new functionality will provide both organizational and retail communities to obtain electronic gold from anywhere in the world. He also stated that the value of 1 gram of gold is equal to 1 CGO token. XDC is, backed by gold. How nice is that? Again, no one's talking about XINFIN or XDC for that matter. I just put that into perspective. Comtech officials redefining their tokenization infrastructure by digitizing gold using blockchain that allows both institutional and retail communities to access gold electronically anywhere across the globe. 1 gram of gold equals 1 CGO token. I might have to get me some of that. I'm just saying. And again, obviously you can see here, Comtech Gold is built on XDC's XINFIN network, the world's first hybrid blockchain system. The blockchain functions based on proof of stake mechanism. Its users can digitize and tokenize in a hybrid network, which provides a quick transaction facility with very low fee right now. So again, do not sleep on XINFIN XDC. I'm telling you, it's an incredible project, and it is an ISO 222 compliant messaging project. Let that one sink in right there. Moving on. Ripple Brad Garlinghouse takes aim at SEC's approach. Again, there he is there right there. My twin. I need a haircut like him again. But anyway, so he's basically just come out in a tweet recently and said he's taken sides with the CFTC commissioner, FAM, to criticize the SEC's regulatory approach. He underlined a sentence in a recent statement released to Commissioner FAM regarding the SEC versus, I don't even know how you pronounce that. Is that way or why litigation? Which reads, regulatory clarity comes from being out in the open, not in the dark. Garlinghouse retorted, unfortunately, the SEC seems more than content to operate in the latter, meaning the dark. Of course, because Gensler is just a ridiculous goon. One of those dudes. He looks like that dude from Lord of the Rings, man. What's his name? That little creepy little thing. I can't remember his name. Oh, my God. I can't remember his name. Oh, he follows him around and steals the ring, that little creepy thing. Anyway, let me know in the comments below. I can't remember it. Anyway, Coinbase rejects SEC's claim that 9 Ethereum-based altcoins are securities. Again, and more securities. So crypto exchange Coinbase is refuting claims by the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, that 9 digital assets listed on its platform are securities. Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul Grewal says the exchange rejects the SEC's claim that 9, obviously, tokens are digital assets right here. And I believe there was a couple of listings yesterday that I saw, and I believe one of them, here they are right here. So the insider trading case, the SEC's complaint states that the agency believes 9 Ethereum-based tokens are listed on the exchange as securities. Points out AMP, which again, I believe I'm holding some AMP as well. Rally, Power Ledger, XYO, one of my favorite projects. Rari governance token right there. LCX, Derivia DAO, DFX Finance, and Chromatica. I have no idea what the hell that is. Anyway, so that's basically it. So one of them is my favorite, by the way, XYO. You know, I just don't get it. Why don't they see Ethereum as a security? It had an ICO. People have made a lot of money off it, like millions, if not billions. Why don't they go after them? Anyway, keep an eye on that, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to cryptometer.io. And I'm in desperate need of a coffee because my eyes are like this. And I'm running on pure adrenaline right now. So I wanted to give my audience an update because it's been too long. Anyway, money's been flowing into Ethereum. You've got Bond, BNB, XRP, which is nice. You've got People, FLM, XMR, Monero, and ACA. Of course, BTC, Mana, USDT, DOT, BCH, FB, LTC, Litecoin, DVI, AVAX, and Matic, which is nice as well. Here is my World OTC trading platform as well. Everything is linked below. There is a new script. So please update that in your iMacros because, again, it won't work really well. You can see I'm now sitting at 1,376 USDT. It's compounding quite nicely, making on average around 5 to now 5.45 USD Tether every 3 hours. So, again, it's really nice as well. Let me check it right here. I can actually do a transaction right now with you to see what's going on. So you go click all, start filtering, and the iMacro script will do this automatically while, you know, we're sleeping, basically. So you can go start trading right here. Let me just click this in transaction. So it's going to show me my profits. 5.5 USD Tether, which again is going to compound really nicely. High risk, high reward. I had 199 USDT left in my bots, and I took that out and put it in here. So I've only invested what I can afford to lose, all right? Everything is linked below. Please be careful with this. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, all right? And again, it's high risk, high reward, no guarantees. I'm just doing this to have some fun, and it's actually working quite nicely. And I did take off some money on this and put it back because I'm just compounding it. So I wanted to see what was actually in their wallet. There is a lot of money in there again. It's on the TRC20 chain. Anyway, everything is linked below. It's making me 3.2% per day using the iMacro script, all right? So if you're not using that, you will only make every time you press the button, straight up. All right, let's go to Twitter right now. And again, here is the Securities and Exchange Commission. Obviously, you can see here that today we are announcing insider trading charges against former Coinbase product manager, his brother, and his friend for perpetrating a scheme to trade ahead of multiple announcements regarding certain crypto assets that would be made available for trading on Coinbase platform. What about being an accredited investor, which allows rich people with more than 200K a year surplus cash to buy an IPO before it gets listed to retail investors. So anyway, just pointing that out. You've got here a tweet from Ashley Prosper right here. Annoying but smart. Judge Torres to allow the reply. Obviously, this is an update in relation to the Ripple case. Now the SEC can't say they didn't get a chance to reply as part of a reason for appealing to the Second Circuit, which is Judge Torres. So you can see here James K. Phelan in connection with the SEC's objections to Judge Netburn's ruling on the Hinman speech documents. The SEC's motion to file 30-page opening brief was denied, limited to 20 pages. But its request to file a 10-page reply brief was granted right there. And you can see here, so obviously partly denied and partly granted right there by Judge Netburn. Oh, sorry, that I believe Torres. There you go, Annalisa Torres. So again, she's smart, man. And I think she knows what she's doing right here to stop the SEC from basically saying this, So they didn't get a chance right there. So again, they're stopping all the avenues for them to get away. But I honestly believe that the SEC is not going to produce these documents. They're fighting so hard not to do it. And I know the reason why is because there's a lot in there to do with XRP not being a security. And they just do not want it to get out because that will be like egg on the face. Bang right there. And I'd love to get my ring and just show Mr. Gensler right here. So again, bullish as anything. That's the bull ring right there. Anyway, moving on. Riaz, thank you for this tweet. SEC vs Ripple. SEC object to Judge Sarah Netburn's ruling, ordering the SEC to disclose William Hinman's 2018 speech. You've got Plan B right here. Last green candle at current level, December 2021. Took us to $60,000 Bitcoin in 4 months. I believe we're on our way, ladies and gentlemen. Every country will eventually adopt Bitcoin, says Prince of Serbia. How nice is that? Justin, Twitter has reported a $270 million net loss in Q2 2022. That's a lot of money. Anyway, just disclose how many bots are on the platform. Anyway, Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 31 right now. We are slowly creeping up. which is really nice. Just wait, ladies and gentlemen. HODL, long hand, long term here, diamond hands. FTX in talk to buy the second biggest cryptocurrency exchange, BitHum. FTX, man, everything's buying up because everything's on the cheap right now. And this is in relation to Brad Garlinghouse taking the side of the CFTC right here. Bill, thanks, James Ripple. Just summarizing for the record, it's 18-month attempt to obtain these documents. 18 months. No more indulgences for the SEC. 11 months after fact discovery closed. That's crazy. Powerful words from the Commission of FAM. Regulatory clarity comes from being out in the open, not in the dark. That's bullish. This is all the updates in relation to the Ripple case. Again, there's a lot going back and forth right here, but the court has entered an order setting a deadline for July 28th. By which any non-parties must move to seal portions of the debauched motions right here. Forgive me for pronouncing that wrong. Or else waive objections to the court's ultimate ruling of the parties sealing applications. Moving down to some other tweets right here. If ERC20 tokens are securities, so is Ethereum. Facts. Digital asset investor. Thank you. Facts. Which means there are a lot of people involved with ETHgate. That should be lawyering up about now. I wonder if anyone in those secret SEC meetings was buying Ethereum knowing Hidman would give the speech. Insider trading, anyone? Facts. Facts, man. Facts. So true. Check this right here, and I just put up this tweet here because this is really interesting, right? Blackstone prepares a record $50 billion to snap up real estate during the coming crash. All right, so institutions are buying up real estate and everything at the moment. Even the crypto exchanges, they're buying everything because it's cheap. This is what happens. FTX CEO market recovery could happen remarkably fast. I agree. Breaking, the US authorities have reportedly arrested former Coinbase product manager Aishan Wei right here for insider trading. I mean, this happens all the time. And Vitalik Buterin right here, this is I'm going to end up here, claims that Ethereum will be able to process 100,000 transactions per second following the completion of 5 key phrases right here. The merge, the surge, the verge, the purge, the splurge. A quick breakdown of this. So, again, honestly, I don't know what's happening with Ethereum at the moment. But again, honestly, I just don't get why the SEC doesn't go after them. They're getting some really big kickbacks right there. JP Morgan, Bitcoin demand is growing as intense deleveraging mostly over right now. And the last one I'm here, Johnny Deaton. The SEC is laying down groundwork after I attended the library hearing. I have no doubt that the SEC has concerted plan it has discussed and implemented right here. Rep Tom Emma right here brought up some of this at the recent congressional hearing where Gensler discussed bloodbaths. This is all planned, straight up. It is all planned right here. That's pretty much it for the update today for Twitter. Let's go to CoinMarketCap, check the total market cap in US dollars. We are still above 1 trillion, which is nice. $71 billion in volume, 41% BTC and 18% Ethereum. We have 20,300 cryptocurrencies. Come on, man. Like 99% of these are absolute rubbish. Let's go down here to the group. Obviously, we've got the red candle right there. And if I go to the only coins that I'm interested in, literally, is these ones right here, ladies and gentlemen. The ones actually being used by banks and institutions for cross-border payments and CBDCs. I know I don't like them, but they are being used by and built on these networks. XRP 36 cents, Stellus 11 cents, Algorand 34 cents, HBAR 7 cents, Quant $101 US. That's cheap. IOTA is at 30 cents right now, and of course XDC is at 2 cents. That is it for today's market update. I am back. I will try and do stuff when I can. If I can't, it's either I'm too tired or I'm with Bubs. But again, I'm not disappeared. I'm still here. And I will talk to everyone in the community tab when I can't do a video. But I will do my best. And I might have my baby in my video next. All right. So thanks very much, guys. I am back. And again, I really appreciate all your congratulations. All right. So thank you very much. I'm off to have a coffee now. We'll speak to you tomorrow. All right. Stay safe, everyone. Peace. Bye.